Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register on Visit Japan Web. So Visit Japan Web is a helpful site for travelers going to Japan because it lets you register important travel details before your trip. This can make the entry process more organized once you arrive, since your personal details, trip information, and entry forms can be prepared in one place. So first, go to the Visit Japan Web website. And if you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click Login. But if you are new, tap create an account and follow the sign up steps. So once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. And in here, you will see different sections like register user, register planned entry or return, and information for after entering Japan. The first thing you need to do here is register your user details. Tap your details, then answer the questions shown on the screen. So for example, it may ask if you have passport issued by the Japanese government. Choose the answer that applies, then tap next. After that, you will choose a passport registration method. You may see options like scanning with camera or entering the information yourself. So scanning with the camera is usually easier because it can read the passport details automatically. And just follow the scanning instructions on the screen and make sure that the passport is clear and continue once the details are added. If anything is missing or incorrect, review it carefully and fix it before moving forward. Next, go back to the main page and complete the details of family members traveling with your section, but only if you're traveling with family members. Add their information one by one and make sure each person details match their passport. After that, go to the register plan entry or return. Tap register new plan entry or return, then enter your trip details, such as your arrival date, flight information, and accommodation in Japan. So follow each page carefully and fill in the required details. And once everything is complete, review your information and then save it. After finishing the registration, you can use the other sections for travel insurance, disaster information, and official travel guides if needed. And that is how you register on Visit Japan Web step by step. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.